guys, welcome to Alpha Developer. Today I'm going to review the Logitech K270 keyboard. As you can see, this is a full-size keyboard and it's I really like it. It's really good to type, and it's got really these really useful buttons up there, which I love. You've got I really like these ones, especially the sound button, for example, so you can quickly mute and unmute, as you can see there. So it's very handy to use. You've got volume up as well, so if I press it, you can see volume increases. It's increasing by two points each time, and again I can reduce the volume as well, and you can press and hold and it'll go faster, as you can see there. So you can quickly increase the volume and decrease it. You also have some other shortcut buttons, such as the calculator one. So if I bring the go and I opened up the calculator there, and there you go. So two instances of calculator opened. And then of course it's got the power button, so that basically sends the PC to sleep. And you can, I think, program this with the Logitech software, so it does other things other than put the PC to sleep. You have the on and off switch here. Now you do have a caps lock key, so I've turned the caps lock on, and I can turn it off, so you can see the A symbol lights up. And you've got this on and off switch. Now I tend to leave this on position a lot of times. I don't tend to turn it off unless I'm carrying it in a bag and maybe the keys will get pressed, or I'm moving it about, because as you know, this is wireless, so no wires at all. So it's really good from a portability point of view. And it takes in standard batteries. I think they are, and actually I'll switch it off at this point, so this is, I guess, where it becomes useful, so I can turn it off so it doesn't press any keys. And there you go. And you can see here that it takes two AAA batteries, and it's got these legs, so you can put them in. It's only got one level, 8 degrees angle, this is there, which is really comfortable to use. I've not had any issues with it, so really good, really sturdy legs. It also comes with the Unifying Receiver. Now I've mentioned this before, and I have a couple of these now, but I've left this one in. But your Unifying Receiver, let me just take it out from here. Right, this is a struggle. Oh, there you go. Okay, so you got this, let me just put it there. So you got this Unifying Receiver, so it comes with this asterisk orange symbol, which means it's a unifying one. So that basically means that you can connect your mouse and you can connect your keyboard to the same receiver. So you only need to have one of these plugged into your PC. So for example, I have received two because I had this mouse from Logitech, as you can see here, and I also have the keyboard, so I've only used one. Hence this is a spare one, which I've just left it in this space that they provide, and this is actually how it came. So I just left that in there, and what you do is you download the software from Logitech's website, so that would be here, and you go to support, and if I go in here, show you, so support, and then you can go to downloads, and here you can, if I scroll across, and you can go to keyboards, and you can select the keyboard that you have. So in my case it's the K270, So I can't seem to find the K270. But I'll just select this one. Let's see if this one has it. So yeah, so there's some software that you can get for these, and you can just download it in there, and that basically allows you to program your unifying receiver. So these little things, you can make it work with the keyboard and the mouse. So that means you're saving on the USB ports on your computer. So yeah, overall, really good keyboard, no issues with it. And you can see here it's got every button that you need, so there's no missing buttons. So if you're doing programming, if you're doing anything, you're using it for a lot of functions, you've got pretty much every single function available on this keyboard. You even have the pause break key, which is quite useful if you're into technical stuff. But yeah, a really awesome keyboard, no issues at all, and I would highly recommend that you get it. And you can, there's a link in the description, you can get it on Amazon. And yeah, so awesome. Let's have a quick look to make sure I haven't missed any features that they mention. So one of the key selling points is there. It's the whole unifying experience, which means those little things, you only have to plug one of them in. So yeah, available in various different languages, so you can see the languages there. And overall, yeah, just one touch, ready to you know, it's charged. It comes with the batteries, and you don't have to replace the batteries that often. You've got 8 hotkeys, plug and play support. So yeah, oh, and one more thing, you can use this keyboard even at BIOS. So unlike some keyboard which you have to download a particular software for, you can actually use this at BIOS level. So that basically means you can control, use it with Linux, use it with Mac OS. So it's compatible with really anything. So backwards compatible because of the unifying receiver, unlike some keyboards which rely on Bluetooth. So yeah. Other than that, battery life there, as you can see, 24 months. I've had this for a good 3 months, and I haven't had any issues with it, so it's really awesome. And the biggest advantage is full size, so you get the full experience. And you can see it's quite neat and big enough. The space key is big, enter key, so it really feels really good. Really good keyboard, highly recommended. And there you go, you've got package contents. It comes with the key, of course, the keyboard, unifying receiver, 2 AAA batteries, and you the documentation. So yeah, I think this will be used for many years to come, and I'm pretty sure if I have to replace it, so far this is the one I would go for again and again. No issues whatsoever. So yeah, link in the description if you want to buy it. But yeah, awesome product, go buy it. I would recommend if you're looking for a wireless keyboard, a full size one, unless you're looking for a mini one. But yeah, thumbs up for this one. See you later.